Hola! Today I'm sharing with you my mom's secret recipe. With this quick and easy recipe, you'll have the juiciest, healthiest and most delicious salmon, guaranteed. It's Salmón al Horno, or baked salmon, this time with orange and vegetables. Are you ready? So let's get started. You have all the ingredients in the description box below. So first of all, we'll just discard the peel, yet we will continue with the peeler to get these thin slices. We do exactly the same thing with our leek. That's the shape we're after. And finally, we slice the onion. This time, I'll just use a knife. Ready for cooking. Now I put some olive oil in the pan. First I add the onions and a little bit of salt. Let's give it a little stir. Shortly after, I'm adding the leek. And repeat the same operation. We want to sauté our vegetables, and now it's turn for the carrot. Same again, let's mix it, but oops, be careful, mine jumped. And finally, a little bit more salt, and after a couple of minutes, you have your vegetables ready. Now let's prepare some baking paper and put it in our tray. That's it. Making room for the vegetables first of all. That's it, tuck them in nicely. And now I grab my salmon slices, the main character in this dish, and I place them all along the tray. A little bit of orange juice. With one orange, it should be enough. Now, add salt at taste. And of course, a tiny touch of black pepper. That's pretty much it. Now it's time to just wrap our present or our salmon. That's it. Ready for Christmas. I'm in the oven. Now it's gonna stay in the oven at 230 degrees for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Open up and wow, looks amazing. Look at all that steam coming out and the juiciness. Now our salmon is ready. For decoration, you may want to go with a little orange slice, like we did. I decided to add a little bit of the juice. And now it's time to give it a go. With a little bit of vegetables. Let's see how it turned out. It's really soft and tender. 5 stars to this salmon. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.